Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Cash App for insurance payout management step by step clearly. Open your Cash App on your mobile device. Log into your account if you haven't already. From the home screen, locate the Banking tab at the bottom. Tap on Banking to access your account details. In the Banking section, look for the Cash App Card option. Select Cash App Card to manage your card settings. Scroll down to find the Insurance option. Tap on the Insurance option to proceed. You will see various insurance providers available. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information. Fill in your policy details as required. Review your information carefully before proceeding. You may be asked to enter your payment details for the subscription fee. Provide the necessary payment information. Confirm the transaction to complete your subscription. You should receive a confirmation message on your screen. Check your email for a subscription confirmation as well. Log back into your Cash App to view your insurance subscription details. Your account is now set up for insurance payout management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.